Hi, my name is Ben Newey and welcome to my microwave YouTube cooking channel. I'd like to talk to you all about microwave cooking. The advantages are it's quicker, save your gas bills because microwaves are run by fuel and electricity, the cost and budget of food, and when washing up it's less mess as well. And I'd like to show you my microwave book collection recipe books. The first couple of books which I brought are by a Welsh author, cook, who lives in Wales called Annette Yates. This is the first book, it's called Microwave Times Looking at a Glance. Um, Microwave Recipes for One. Microwave Cooking Properly Explained, and the complete microwave cookbooking guide, all by Annette Yates. And the next person that we're going to the next thing that I'll talk about, and the ultimate book that I do have on microwaves, is a Reader's Digest one published in 1990 with 600 recipes. Cool, look at that, that's a big and 8. Yeah. And I'd also like to talk to you about different types of different countries of cooking. Like I've got a book by I've got this Anglo-Indian recipe book by Bridget White Keemar. It's Anglo-Indian recipes for microwave, English and Indian. Um, also I've got I want to talk to you about mug meals in microwave because they're very simple to do. Serves one person. So I have got another microwave mug book, but this is my favourite book. This is Microwave Mug Meals by Wendy Hobson. 100 delicious recipe. And on the back it's got breakfast soups, pasta, noodles, rice and grains, salads and vegetables, meat and fish dishes, egg and cheese dishes, and desserts and cake. And also, if you like dieting, there's I think everybody's heard of the keto diets, haven't they? I've got this microwave meals keto book, and it's also got some good recipes in there. So that's my knowledge of microwave cooking. If anybody's interested, you can visit my YouTube channel. Thank you for watching. Bye.